how to add another account in WhatsApp in iPhone 16. So if you want to add another account in WhatsApp on your iPhone 16, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your App Store. On your App Store, you need to search for WhatsApp Business. So you'll have your WhatsApp application installed already, right? Which is WhatsApp Messenger. You'll have this application installed previously, and now you need to go with WhatsApp Business and install WhatsApp Business and add another account on your WhatsApp Business so that you'll be able to use two accounts in a particular device. Or you can also just open up your WhatsApp, and if you want to add another account, you can go with settings, which is on the bottom, and from the settings you can scroll down. If you find a logout option, you can go and log out and then add another account. But if you don't find it, then installing WhatsApp Business is the perfect way. That's how you can add another account in WhatsApp on your iPhone 16. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.